So I'm here, y'all. I'm finna go in and do some shopping. I'll show y'all what I'm finna get and do y'all a grocery haul when I get home. I know it's search for food. That's why I got a fat net now, a double chin. I see which one I want. I think, oh, I got it. It's spicy. I might just get one. Get me one real I'm back home. I'm tired. I was gonna show y'all a grocery haul, but I said forget that. I look like Joe Dirt. But anyways, I got me 2 things of sushi for $5 at Publix. But go get one.